Hey guys, goldfries here at BeQuiet, and in this video I would like to introduce to you the light base 600 and the light base 900. But before that, this Computex 2024 coverage by goldfries is sponsored by Acer. The difference between the 900 and the 600 is the size. The 900 fits up to a 420mm AIO or radiator, whichever you want. AIO is one thing, but well, some of you want a custom loop, 420 rads. Alright, while the light base 600 supports 360mm radiators or 3 fans or AIO, whichever you want. But the key feature of this light base series is the orientation. Now let me bring you around. As you can see at the back, alright, come, let's have a look at, this is drawing quite some crowd. So what you can see here is, this is what we would call it as a normal orientation. And then there's the horizontal orientation. And then, wait, did I say this normal? No, this is normal orientation. This is inverted and this is horizontal. So basically it's one case with 3 different orientations. So typically you would have a case that looks like this, right? So this is normal again. And you see this is inverted where the glass is on this side instead. And maybe that's not your thing. You want to use it as a side table in your bedroom, you can flip it this way. Of course, this is the light base 900, yes, but it gets a bit messy because they are just the different size difference is slight, right? So we look at this one. This is the again inverted layout of the 600 with components inside, and this is the horizontal layout for the light base 600 with components inside. So they seem to be very close in size. So even as you see through the footages here, and even I'm looking at it, it's you have to take a closer look to tell the difference, at least from what I see. Probably because of the orientation. I'm sure you put them side by side in the correct orientation, then you'll be able to tell the difference between the 600 and the 900. So overall, this section is where you see all the new ones, the light base 900 and 600, from this table out over here and to the table right at the back there. So if you're at Computex, do check out this interesting case. Personally, I like it a lot, especially if I want to use the light base 600 as let's say a side table at my sofa. Definitely this one looks great. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.